Fare families in Amadeus are a merchandising feature that allows airlines to package fares with specific services, such as baggage allowance, seat selection, meals, or ticket flexibility. They help agents and passengers easily compare options, promote higher value fares, and provide transparency about what is included. Rather than just showing a fare basis code, Fare families present a branded family name with clear, easily understandable attributes. This tutorial walks through real booking examples, demonstrating how to display fare families, review inclusions, compare upgrade options, and rebook customers into better fare products with just a few powerful commands. Use the FQD command to display a fare quote. Enter the origin ADD, Addis Ababa, followed by the destination JED, Jeddah. Add /D as the identifier for the travel date, followed by December 16th. Then use /A as the airline identifier, followed by SV, Saudi Airlines. Add /K as the cabin type identifier, followed by Y for economy cabin. Next, include /IL to display fares from lowest to highest, and /FF as the identifier for fare families. Finally, add /R as the request identifier, followed by U for private or negotiated fares identifier, and P for public fares identifier. Then press Enter. The fares are displayed from lowest to highest, whether they are public, private, or a combination, based on the eligibility under fare family. The lowest priced fare is Basic Economy, which includes limited baggage and allows changes or refunds with applicable fees. These fares appear on lines 1 to 40. The Moderate Flexibility fare is Semi-Flex Economy, which includes standard baggage and permits changes or refunds with applicable fees. These are shown on lines 41 to 80. The highest flexibility fare is Flex Economy, offering lower change/refund fees and full mileage accrual. These fares appear on lines 81 to 120 within the economy class cabin. Thanks to the integration of airline fare families into Amadeus, you can easily view the services included in a selected fare family by using the FQF command followed by the line number. For example, to see what is included in Basic Economy Basis, listed on line 1, use the command FQF1 and press Enter. This displays that certain services are included in Basis, such as one free checked bag up to 23 kilograms and free cabin baggage up to 7 kilograms, while others, like basic seat selection, upgrade eligibility, change fee, refundable ticket, and changeable ticket, can be added for an additional charge. To see what is included in Semi-Flex Economy and Semiflex, listed on line 41, use the command FQF41 and press Enter. This displays that in Semiflex includes 2 free checked bags up to 23 kilograms each and free cabin baggage up to 7 kilograms, while other services, such as basic seat selection, upgrade eligibility, change fee, refundable ticket, and changeable ticket, can be added for an additional charge. To see what is included in Flex Economy, listed on line 81, enter the command FQF81 and press Enter. This will display the fare inclusions, such as basic seat selection, a changeable and refundable ticket, 2 free checked bags up to 23 kilograms each, and free cabin baggage up to 7 kilograms. Other services, such as upgrade eligibility, may be added for an additional charge. In our example, a PNR was created for a round trip from Addis Ababa to Jeddah and Jeddah to Addis Ababa on Saudi Airlines in booking class Y. To price the itinerary, the FXB, Best Pricer, transaction is used, followed by /R, as the request identifier and U for private or negotiated fares and P for public fares. Then press Enter. The appended message shows Basis, Basic Economy, applied to Fare Component 1, Segment 1 and Fare Component 2, Segment 2. An additional line under Fare Component 2 indicates that the best recommendation for upgrading the customer's trip is to upgrade to Semiflex, Semi-Flex Economy, 4321.00 ETB, Ethiopian Bear, while Fare Component 1 remains on Basis, Basic Economy. To view all upgrade recommendations, use the FXY command. The output of the FXY upselling transaction is composed of 2 sections, Lowest and Upsells. In the lowest section, the lowest available fare in the Basic Economy fare family is shown, which has been applied to Fare Components 1 and 2. This fare is calculated based on the data in the PNR. In the Upsell section, a list of upgrade recommendations is displayed. The lowest fares in the next higher fare families, combined by fare component, are shown for comparison. To display the full list of upgrade recommendations, use the MD transaction. Let's take a look at what's included in the lowest price for the booked class of service. Start by using the FQF command to display the fare family description. For recommendation 1, simply press Enter. This will show the services included in Basic Economy, which applies to fare components 1 and 2. If the travel agent decides to book the recommended upgrade, with an extra charge of 4,321 Ethiopian Bear, the FXU/TS command can be used. This will rebook and reprice the PNR, making it ready for ticketing. To view the upsell teaser description, use FQF/TS and then press Enter. In this example, Basic Economy is applied to fare component 1 from Addis Ababa to Jeddah, while Semi-Flex Economy is recommended for fare component 2 from Jeddah back to Addis Ababa. This setup makes it easy to compare the two fare options and choose the best one for the traveler. For example, to price all segments of the PNR using the booked classes for the Basic Economy fare family, enter the command FXP, followed by /FF, the fare family identifier, dash, then the Basic Economy code based on the airline's branded or merchandising fare structure. Next, add /our request type identifier, followed by U for private or negotiated fares, or P for public fares identifiers. Then press Enter. Once processed, two fare options for the booked classes and Basic Economy fare families are displayed. Fare 1, with a total amount of 81,227 Ethiopian Bear, and Fare 2, with a total amount of 63,324 Ethiopian Bear. To select the desired fare for ticket issuance, simply choose the fare you want to apply. For example, to select Fare 2 for Passenger 1, use the command FXT/2/P1 and press Enter. This applies the selected fare to the specified passenger and prepares the PNR for ticketing. In this example, the PNR was created on Saudi Airlines for a round-trip journey. The itinerary includes travel from Addis Ababa to Jeddah in L-Class on December 16th, and the return from Jeddah to Addis Ababa, also in L-Class, on December 30th. To find the best price for all segments of the PNR using the booked L-Class under the Basic Economy fare family, type FXB, then /FF to specify the fare family identifier, dash, next, add the Basic Economy fare family code, according to the airline's branded or merchandising fare structure. Follow this with /our, and U for private or negotiated fares, and P for public fares. Once everything is entered, simply press Enter to display the best available pricing. The PNR is now rebooked automatically into the available booking classes for the Basic Economy fare family. For fare component 1, from Addis Ababa to Jeddah, the booking class has changed from L to Q, reflecting the best available Basic Economy fare. For fare component 2, from Jeddah back to Addis Ababa, the booking class has changed from L to N, also based on the best available Basic Economy fare. With these updates applied, the PNR is now ready for ticketing. To find the best available pricing for combined fare families in a PNR. For example, applying Basic Economy for Segment 2, from Addis Ababa to Jeddah, and Semi-Flex Economy for Segment 3, from Jeddah to Addis Ababa. Use the FXB command, enter /FF2 fare family fare identifier for Segment 2, a dash, and the Basic Economy fare family code. Then enter /FF3 fare family identifier for Segment 3, a dash, and the Semi-Flex Economy fare family code. These codes are based on the airline's branded or merchandising fare structure. Next, add /our, and choose your request type, U for private or negotiated fares, or P for public fares. Finally, press Enter. The PNR has been automatically rebooked into the cheapest available booking classes for the specified fare families. For fare component 1, traveling from Addis Ababa to Jeddah, the booking is now in Q class, using the Basic Economy fare family. For fare component 2, returning from Jeddah to Addis Ababa, the booking is in N class, using the Semi-Flex Economy fare family. With these updates applied, the PNR is now updated and ready for ticketing. This video demonstrates how Amadeus makes upselling easy through fare families, Best Pricer logic, and clear upgrade paths. Using commands like FF, FQF, FXP, FXB, FXU, and FXY, you can quickly evaluate customer needs, compare fare products, and enable airlines to package fares with specific services, such as baggage allowance, seat selection, meals, or ticket flexibility. Fare families help agents and passengers easily compare options, promote higher value fares, and provide transparency about what is included. Thanks for watching and happy Amadeus pricing!